What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to resize your photos for web use using Photoshop. If you're working on a website or just building your own brand, this will be extremely valuable to you. And branding is something that you would be interested in. Drop it in the comments below. I would love to hear you, as I am a digital marketing student, so I would love to make videos about that if you're interested. Without wasting any more time, let's dive into the video. Alright, so we are back. We're in Photoshop and we're going to get to resizing this image. There are a lot of ways that you can do this. This is just a quick way that you can get it condensed down to save some space when you're uploading to, for your website or, something along those lines. So we got our photo here. As you can tell, the width is 3000 pixels roughly for 4K. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to come up here to image. From image, we going to use mode. We're going to come down to 8-bit channel. Okay, so now that we've done for the 8-bit, we're going to come up to edit. From edit, we're going to come down here to the convert to profile. Going to make sure that you have it selected for sRGB. Alright, so that's good. Next, you want to take for 800 and times it by 1.67, which would come out to 1336. Alright, okay, so image size, you want to make sure that it's linked. So we're going to put in 1336. Going to make it 1002 for the height. You want pixels, resolution to be 72. Then you want to click OK. Bam. One thing I forgot to say is you want to make sure that you have it on Bicubic Smoother. Alright, so with that being said, that right there, you just want to take, going to export this. And then you just want to export it to wherever you're going to save it to. I've already got this one done, so that's just for tutorial purposes. I hope that helped you, and we will have one coming along that will help optimize a little bit further for website use, so stay tuned for that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, as this helps us with the YouTube algorithm and it helps us get this video out to more people who may need to see it. If you have any recommendations, thoughts, opinions, or just any feedback in general, leave those in the comments below so I can read them and hopefully serve you better tutorials in the future. If you like this content and you want to see more, also think about subscribing. We would love to have you here as part of the community. Without wasting any more of your time, thank you, and I'll catch you on the next one.